In the chilly waters of Antarctica, Penny the penguin loved to explore the icy world with her friends. One sunny day, as Penny waddled along the shore, she spotted something unusual, a shiny object half buried in the snow. With a flip of her beak, Penny uncovered a collection of colourful geometric shapes buried in the ice. Intrigued, Penny and her friends gathered around the shapes. They discovered squares, circles, triangles, stars, and rectangles. They played games, stacking squares and arranging triangles, learning about shapes while having fun. As the sun dipped low, Penny realized that learning new things with friends made every day an adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning and playing with Penny and her friends. Remember, every day is a new opportunity for an exciting adventure.